Do you know what? My parents have refused to get me a cell phone till the exams are over.
Ouch, that's bad. Now what are you going to do?
I have decided to follow the lead of the social activist. I am going on a book hatal.
Good for you, but for how many days will you be able to keep it up?
Let's see. I am hoping to keep it up till the Home Ministry accepts my demand.
Akshit and Divyanshu have something for you on the same lines.
हमारी मांगे पूरी करो, पूरी करो, पूरी करो. हमारी मांगे पूरी करो, पूरी करो.
Corruption is ever increasing in our scam-ridden country. As a result, we Indians seem to believe that hunger strike is the only option to force the hand of the government. It is actually interesting to note that methods and ways used during the independence era are still followed by people to fight various causes.
Let me give you an example. Anna Hazare, a member of the Anti-Corruption Union and a social worker, shook the whole nation with his intention to fight corruption by deciding to go on a hunger strike. He wanted to have the Lokpal bill passed, and the Indian government had to pay heed to his demands.
कि मंत्री और वरिष्ठ ऑफिसर जब तक जेल में नहीं जाएंगे तब तक करप्शन को ब्रेक नहीं लगेगा.
NBA leader Medha Patkar has now joined the long list of social leaders who are resorting to hunger strikes to force the government to fulfill demands.
फिर एक बार काले झंडे के साथ हम लोग भ्रष्टाचार और अत्याचार को धिक्कारेंगे.
And let's not forget Baba Ramdev, who has publicly announced that he would launch a hunger strike from June 4th against corruption. Hunger strikes may be a peaceful and non-violent way to protest against political activities which are incorrect, unjust and corrupt. But the frequency with which they are occurring, they might soon lose their importance. There are too many hunger strikes happening these days. So do you think they are losing their importance?
Yeah, I think hunger strikes is not the only way to get things done.
ये जो भूख हड़ताल अभी वो चल रहा है, इससे मतलब 2-4 प्रॉब्लम तो सॉल्व हो जाएंगे.
Has a diminished bit of importance, but because of that people are getting aware exactly what is happening.
Sir, do you think that hunger strike is the only way to stop corruption?
Hunger strike is not the only solution, obviously the part of solution. So people need to find alternate ways.
Well, I don't think so. Because if you're going to remain hungry, how is it going to affect the other person? Unless it's a mass movement.
I don't support them. जो hunger strike पे जाता है, I really don't support them.
Well, it's a question of relative importance, which is a topic being raised. Whether the person is raising it for the sake of raising it, for the sake of publicity, or is it a genuine issue?
Well, hunger strike is one of the most powerful tools. It is proven to in the past also to stop corruption. But I guess another very important and powerful tool which all of us as individual citizens, alert citizens can use is the RTI, Right to Information Act.
Are hunger strikes the right way to fight corruption? Maybe.
But is it the only method? No, definitely not. All I know is we cannot stay without our food.
But let's hope that corruption is tackled and we Indians do not have to starve ourselves to be heard. I am Akshit with Divyanshu signing off for BBN.